Alright you guys, we are back with another unboxing. It is a gorgeous sunny Thursday morning at 9 a.m. and it is already pretty hot, so we are going to try to crank through this unboxing while still showing you everything that's going to be available. This is another unboxing from our supplier from India who custom makes Shivas and bowls for us, and I am so excited to share these pieces with you guys. We are going to start off with these gorgeous Lepidolite Shivas. I didn't know he could do Lepidolite, so this is what we ended up with. These are absolutely stunning. If you guys know me, you know I'm a big fan of Lepidolite. It's so good for anxiety, and I'm also a big fan of the Shiva shape, and I'm only going to show about half of what we got just because a kilo is actually a lot of pieces, so just know we have more of everything. This will be like a quick sampling of what all of the pieces look like, and some of the Lepidolite will have more quartz on it, and these will all be listed individually so you guys can choose which one you will like. And the weight, the price will be based on the weight, so some may be, you know, if they're smaller will be on the more affordable side, and if they're larger they'll be priced appropriately. However, this vendor prices things very well and very fair, so I feel like the prices are really good. Next up, bringing back a favorite of the strawberry quartz. So we did have these last time, so I'm only going to show a few because they are very similar. Ooh, there's a little rainbow on that one. Oh my gosh, that Shiva is like, bye. And someone had commented this on the last video. So there's Shivas that are the river rock, and then this is like Shiva based on the shape. So the shape of the crystal, that's the Shiva carving. So there's a little bit of confusion out there, but I'm referring to Shiva lingam, the shape, in different types of materials. So a super exciting new addition is these rainbow moonstones with the most incredible blue flash. I'm not sure, yeah, I'm pretty sure all of them will have blue flash. I'm not 100% sure, but I will check. Based on looking at them, it looks like they all have blue flash, and the carving is just so stunning. I was so glad I was able to get this material in Shivas, and I believe I also got it in mini bowls as well. Oh, this one has a little orange flash right on the bottom there. You see it? I love when moonstone has orange flash. I think it makes it extra special. And I'm hoping my phone doesn't overheat as we're out here. Yeah, it looks like so far they all do have a decent amount of blue flash. Beautiful. This one has a little spot of aquamarine. Oh, this one has, I can't tell what that is. That looks like Pyrite or something. It has like a gold flake on it. Super cool. And I can confidently say 100% of these do have the blue flash. Orange as well. Orange and almost like green. Very cool. Next, another new material I'm so excited he had is Pyrite. These Shivas are all a little bit bigger, so we won't have as many of these. Ooh, they're heavy. So these are what they look like. Beautiful golden Shivas. Perfectly polished Pyrite. And they're very heavy, very nice weight. Here is the next one. I love these on Shivas. I don't think I've ever actually seen Pyrite Shivas. Here's another one. These are all on the larger side, but so cool. I love these. Wow. These are also a new material for us. Look at the flash. I think we had gold sunstone last time. Actually, these are gold moonstone. Look at that. The flash is just like blinding. And these he carved a little bit smaller. Ooh, this one's almost like a black moonstone sunstone combo, but the flash is incredible on all of these. Look at that. This one has probably some of the smaller Shiva size. Next is the stunning one. So flashy. I think these ones are some of my fave just based on the flash alone. The quality is so good. Next we have some gorgeous moss agate from India. I was so happy to get these in Shiva shape. Again, never seen a moss agate Shivas, and I just love the moss agate that comes out of India. Chef's kiss. These all very much have their own personality. I love this one. I mean, they're all so incredibly stunning. These are the other two. So gorgeous. Then we have another one of these super unique, fun, cool ones. And then one with more quartz. These are just so incredibly cool. I didn't realize how colorful this one was with the red moss. All right, and next we're gonna open some of the bowls. And we also have more of the blue opal. I did go ahead and restock these. Since you guys have seen them before, I'm just gonna show the 3 of them here, but these ones are actually really big, and I just love the blue opal. I think it is so incredibly beautiful with the striping and the coloring. Also have those as well. And then let's get into the bowls. So I did open some of them just to see what they look like. Of course, we had to bring back the super flashy Labradorite bowls. These are teeny tiny bowls, but they're perfect if you want to put herbs, earrings, rings, literally anything mini. You can burn sage or herbs in here, which is what I think is such a great idea to use for this. You can make a mini money bowl. Here's another one of the labs. These are just so flashy. We got a lot more than we did last time because we sold out of these pretty quickly. They were slower to sell, but once they sold out, everyone was like, I want more. We also got Lepidolite bowls. Again, these will all be individually listed, so you guys can pick which one you want. And I may not open all of them because let me show you how they come packed. So they're all in a box like this, and they're all like individually wrapped. So in the essence of time and not wanting to open every single one out here on this hot sunny day, I'll just show you a few samples of what they look like, but you'll be able to see photos and all the angles of everything. So this is a rainbow moonstone bowl. I'm so happy that I got these. Next we have another Lepidolite. We got 10 of each material. Oh my gosh, and I forgot about these ones, you guys. We also got Labradorite Shivas. I am so happy with these. I believe they're all very, very flashy, and I'm so glad we have the bright sun to be able to show that. We got so many Shivas. I'm obsessed. And these actually have moonstone on them. Moonstone. Ooh, look at that. Moonstone on the Labradorite, black moonstone. So sometimes you'll see a different flash on the black part, which is the black moonstone. Look at this one. The spotted flash is pretty uncommon, and then this one has like a major flash. So all these have really, really good flash. No surprise. Yeah, so the black patches are the moonstone. Super gorgeous pieces. I love the Labradorite ones. And then we also got moss agate bowls. They're so darling. They're all gonna look very different, especially the moss agate. Ooh, everything's getting so hot sitting out here in the sun. But we can open a few more while we still have the sun. Ooh, here's another one of those beautiful moss agate, very translucent. Wow. This is how they come wrapped. So cute. He did such a good job with these. I think these took 20 days to make this time. Oh, got another moonstone bowl. Super good flash. I love the moonstones. But I love this supplier because he will make pretty much anything you ask, and he does it quickly, and everything ships super securely, and once everything arrives, it's just like 10 out of 10. Everything has great flash, everything has great polish. Okay, you guys, well, my phone actually died from overheating, so I am back just to show the rest of the bowls. I only opened 1 or 2 of everything just because it is so hot out here. Like, these been sitting out here for 6 minutes and they're very hot, so I just want to show all the types of bowls we'll have, and we should be able to get everything listed. Oh my gosh, and my phone screen's completely black. Okay, my phone is really not wanting to cooperate, but I wanted to show that we also have blue opal bowls and strawberry quartz bowls. So these are all the different types of bowls we'll have available for this launch. Everything will be individually listed. Let me move this down, and I'm going to try to speed through this outro really quick. If you're seeing this now, everything is available for sale on our Etsy or on our website at coldbrewcrystals.com. Everything will be listed individually, so you can choose what you would like. And if you guys like this unboxing, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more crystal unboxings. We also do crystal order packing videos, and we go live every Friday to do a live unboxing for you guys, where you guys are actually able to purchase from that live. So thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out on this gorgeous hot summer sunny day. And my iPhone has died a few times, so I'm gonna leave the video here, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you on the next one. Love you. Bye. Hey, question for you. Have you been thinking about starting a crystal business, don't know where to start, or feel a lack of community? Well, guess what, you guys? I have a Patreon that has access to a private community and Discord server for just $18 a month. You can learn from other businesses, make friends, learn along with me, and topics include pricing, shipping, Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So head over and join us on Patreon for just $18 a month. Everything is linked in my bio.